today we started a new topic in grammar, which is perfect tense. And here we go. So we have already completed the tense forms of 6. They are simple tenses. One is simple past, simple present, and simple future. As well as we have also completed the continuous tenses, which is simple present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. For both these references, you can watch my video material on the simple and continuous tenses, which I have shared you already in the Google Classroom. Followed by this, we are going to see today the past perfect tense, present perfect tense, and future perfect tense. The 3 types of perfect tenses. First of all, what is a perfect tense? A perfect tense always tells about more than one action. So it will tell minimum 2 actions or more than that, which is happening in a completed limited period of time. So this period decides whether it should be past perfect, present perfect, or future perfect. For example, past perfect, I have mentioned all these 3's in a diagram. I have drawn a timeline and I have marked past in the orange color, present in red color, and the into mark blue says the future tense. In past perfect tense, one activity will start in the past and it will end in the past. So activity will start in the past, it will take some time and it will complete in the past. For example, my brother had learned to speak English before I did. So every action is completed, already completed. He had learned already to speak before I complete my action. So the main thing you have to remember on past perfect tense is it will also always have the verb formula as had plus past participle form of the verb. This past participle form of the verb we discussed in this class today. You have to know how you know the past form of the verbs. You will be having to know the past participle form of all the regular and irregular verbs. For example, write is the simple present form. Wrote is the past form. Written is the participle form, past participle form. So you have to learn for the basic verbs. Mostly regular verbs will have ed, like how we have learned. It can also be learnt, promised, prepared. All these are participle form. And the second is the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means the activity will commence in one past time and it will be continuing till now. For example, my dad has promised me to buy a car if I score first rank. So did I score first rank now? No. So one activity have already commenced. What? He has promised me to buy. So since my dad is a singular noun, we use has here. If it is some plural words like my parents, it will be coming as have promised. Basically, present perfect will follow the below formula. Has or have plus past participle form of the verb. And I and you will always have plus past participle form of the verb. The last thing is future perfect tense. In the future perfect tense, if you could see, both the activities will be starting in the future and it will be ending in the future. For example, by the time I finish my homework, my mom will have prepared dosas. So both is not done, both will be happening, right? So the basic format is will have plus past participle form of the verb. In simple, you can remember past perfect will always have had plus past participle form of the verb. Present perfect tense will always have has or have plus past participle form of the verb. And future perfect will have plus past participle form of the verb. And this is the basic formula of the perfect tenses. With this reference, we have already completed few activities in our course book as well as in your workbook. I'll also mention the page number on which you have to work on the workbook, guys. You can carry on with the workbook activities. With another interesting session, let me find you out. Bye.